Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we're talking about the Ambutech rollerball hook style tip. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to the show. Today we're talking about the Ambutech rollerball hook style tip. This ball is just over $10. It is a nice hard vinyl plastic material, and it is a hook style cane tip. This particular type of roller is specifically designed, one, to make it easier on you while doing your sweeping pattern. It's also great at helping you detect various sized objects along your walking path. It gives good tactile feedback and audio feedback, and all around is a good cane tip. It can also be used to measure the height of different objects for steps, curbs, and various other opportunities depending on your specific mobility needs. Somebody who is in a wheelchair will be able to use this a little bit better to be able to measure the distance a curb might drop off, for instance. Overall, if I was to give this cane tip a rating between 1 and 5 stars, or 1 to 10, I would give it a 5 out of 5 or a 10 out of 10, because it is inexpensive. It is designed fairly well to last a good deal of time, and it has multiple use case scenarios, whether you're somebody who is completely mobile or somebody who is in a wheelchair. The link is in the description below in case you'd like to check out this particular cane tip. If you have it, by all means, please feel free to share your experience with it. If you don't and you have questions, by all means, drop them down below as well. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening, and we'll see you in the next episode.